I learned to fold myself in half, just to fit inside their asking. Smile when the edges cut, and call it something less than breaking. They never said it out loud, but I heard it in between. Every time I gave too much, and no one ever noticed me. I don't know when it started, but I stopped saying I can't. Now I hold my breath and not alone, like that's what I was meant to have. There's a price on quiet hands, on never making trouble, never making sound, on turning every no I had into something that could weigh me down. I paid it in small pieces, in every moment I stayed still. Now I don't even recognize the shape of what I used to feel. They liked me better when I was soft, when I didn't take up space, when I made my hurt look pretty so it wouldn't ruin their day. I thought that was love at first, or whatever they called it then. But love shouldn't feel like rehearsing an apology again and again. So I learned to disappear without ever leaving the room, and no one noticed I was gone until there was nothing left of truth. There's a price on quiet hands, on never making trouble, never making sound, on turning every no I had into something that could weigh me down. I paid it in small pieces, in every moment I stayed still. Now I don't even recognize the shape of what I used to feel. If I scream, will it echo, or just fall back into my skin? I don't know where I am now, or where they all began. Quiet hands, they don't stay quiet forever. They just learn what it costs to be heard.